Let's try another one. Again, give yourself some room here, maybe even a little more than you did before. We're going to write a factor, top and bottom, as a fraction. Let's first take a look at our LCD, and here's what I'm seeing. I see a factor of x minus 2 in the bottom and an x plus 8 in the bottom. These do not have an x in common. Remember, the only way that you could say that they have something in common is if everything was multiplied together. These are added or subtracted, so these are two separate factors. So my LCD is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 8. And so what I need to do is make this denominator equal the LCD, and then make this denominator equal the LCD. In order to make the first one, I need to multiply by an x plus 8 over x plus 8. Remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. I already had an x minus 2, but now I need to multiply by x plus 8. Over here on this side, I'm missing the x minus 2. Now let's go ahead and simplify and multiply. I'm going to have 15 times x plus 8 on the top, and x plus 8 and x minus 2 on the bottom of this first one. I want to add to that 3 times x minus 2 over x plus 8 and x minus 2. And now that I have the same denominator, I can add across. And as I add, I want to also distribute. So if you need to, go ahead and draw yourself some little lines here saying that we are distributing. And because this is a plus sign, I can just keep going. I'll say 15x plus 120 plus 3x and minus 6, and that's all over 8 plus x plus 8 times x minus 2. Now I need to simplify as much as I can. I see that I have a 15x and a 3x, so that'll be 18x. 120 minus 6 will be a plus 114, and my denominator kind of comes along for the ride. The last thing I want to do is factor anything that I can, and I see a GCF of 6 here because a 3 and a 2 will both go into both of those. I'll be left with 3x plus 19. I know that I have found the greatest common factor because I can't pull anything else out of 19. That's a prime number. And then x plus 8 and x minus 2 as my denominator.